Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that we should use resembling words in our English conversation. Sometime during conversation we stuck because we don't find the proper exact word to use at such place. But if we use there the resembling and very lucid simple English sentence or word, then it's okay for other to understand you properly. Otherwise, if you are using difficult words, perhaps the other person whose English language is not first language, who is also second language speaker of English language, then he will not be able to understand you properly. So try to use simple and lucid sentences of English language. I'm using the lucid. It's mean that simple sentences. So some people have this habit that they always try to memorize or cram the difficult words and their meanings, and sometimes they use those difficult words in their conversation. And other people, those are beginner in English language, when they listen to them they face problem while understanding them. Speaking English language or speaking any language means that you want to send your views in front of other person. You are talking so that other may be able to understand you whatever you want to say. But if we can make other person understand with the simple English, then no need of using the difficult English. What is your opinion? Do you like simple English speaking or difficult English speaking? We should speak the difficult English language, but when we speak the English in front of the English person, when we are speaking English language in front of other people, those are speaking English as a second language, then we should try to speak in simple way and in our own accent. Sometimes we of different nationalities people face the problem while understanding the accent, because accent vary from place to place, from country to country. So we should try to utter the words in proper way. So if there is a little bit of problem with our accent, other person can judge you that whatever you are saying, he can understand you. I think that you will adopt all these methods to speak good English language. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, do subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.